Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate the side swept hair on Dress to Impress. First you'll need this hair in the toggle only bangs in whatever color you want. This hair too in the only bangs toggle. And then this hair in the front toggle. You can do half front as well if you'd like to. But I'm gonna just do the front with no flowers. And you're going to grab these from bangs. Can't really see them because I colored it like blonde. Then I use this hair in the same color, position the Y to 0.52, Z 0.51, and scale it to 0.16. Grab this hair in the same color in the position X 0.53, Y 0.44, Z 0.37. Rotated the X to 0.51, the Y and Z to 0.52, and scaled it to 0.56. Grabbed this hair in bangs only in that same color, position the X to 0.56, Y 0.53, Z 0.45, rotated the Y to 0.53 and scaled it to 0.19, and then you have this cute hair. I hope, oh my gosh, why do I always do that? I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.